Alright guys, I'm super excited to share with you two big news. It's going to happen. As a matter of fact, one of the news is already happened already. And this is just the beginning for Dogecoin. The first news, guy, it is the Robinhood wallet. And right now we caught the attention from the CEO of Robinhood. And thank you to Mark Cuban, and I'll explain more in a little bit. Yesterday, if you guys know that Mark Cuban went on Ellen's show and talked good about Dogecoin, and he mentioned a lot of positive things about Dogecoin, and I think eventually, Ellen probably will put Dogecoin onto her Ellen shop very soon, and more celebrity will know more about Dogecoin after her show, and more users start to deposit and buy more into Dogecoin. This is just my way of thinking, okay? But here's what I want to point out to you. Two good news. One, Robinhood wallet. Number two is more corporations start to put Dogecoin inside their business. This is the big thing. And I'm talking about this thing all the time, guys. Say, if Dogecoin able to hit to $1 and more and become the people currency, which is some of the big catalysts start to happen. It have to happen. Number one is more trading platform start to put in Dogecoin, which is COINBASE, crypto, WEBULL, and we see it happen already. I've been talking about this thing for a month, and it happened already. We just wait for COINBASE. Number two is more celebrity awareness, right? Mark Cuban, Elon Musk, Ellen, she is big influence. Eventually, I think more people would get to know more about Dogecoin. Media awareness. Now, if you look on this website, it's CNBC talking about Dogecoin. Now, let's jump in. I'm more excited. Let's jump into Mark Cuban. If Mark Cuban by now, if you don't think that Mark Cuban is not support, if you think that Mark Cuban is not support Dogecoin, I don't know what else do you think. Mark Cuban, obviously, he's not going to say 100% like obvious that he support Dogecoin, but the action this man do, you can tell that he is a big supporter of Dogecoin. Number one, he put Dogecoin inside his basketball team, Dallas Mavericks, okay? He put it in there. Number two, he go on the media, talk good about Dogecoin, okay? Number three, he even suggests that Ellen put Dogecoin onto her shop. That is the good thing. And number three, that he say that Dogecoin, people is fun, it's great, and it could possibly be the people currency. And now, Mark Cuban, he mentioned this. He say this thing to the Robinhood CEO. This is what he say. Because Doge is one coin that people actually use for transaction. Wow, that's a good thing. There are over 4,000 coins out there, but only Dogecoin is the coin that people actually like, use, and it's fun, and people use for daily transaction. And I see that happen because I know about Dogecoin, and it's make me want to use Dogecoin too. Come on, Robinhood wallet, put it in. I love to use Dogecoin for the transaction. This is awesome, guy. And Mark Cuban say, we take many other form of payment using BitPay as well, which is fine. But Mark Cuban, he say, people spend their Doge more. That means more business will start taking Doge, okay? That's good, because a lot of coin out there is used for store value. And I say this all the time. Many other coin out there used for store value, but they just don't think in their mind that they use that coin to spend. But Dogecoin is so easy. It's so simple. It's so convenient. The transaction fee is so low. So they more likely to use Doge for transaction. And because people use that for daily transaction, then you know it could be possible become the people currency. So people spend that Doge, and that's mean more business will start taking it through. When people start more using it, business have no reason not to take the Doge as a payment. And Mark Cuban say this thing to the CEO. He say, the greatest inhibitor to the growth is that you cannot spend those you buy on Robinhood, which is really true. I buy Dogecoin on Robinhood. I buy is to invest, to store value in there. But if Robinhood allow me to spend the money for Dogecoin, I can send to my friend, to my family, to the people that I need to spend, to purchase. That's going to be awesome. I could imagine, like, when I go to a shopping store, go to a mall, go to a restaurant, go into a salon, I'm going to shopping online or even on Amazon and using my wallet on Robinhood and pay for those things. I think that's going to be super awesome. And I think that is the thing right now that Robinhood need to put in, guy. And guess what happened? This is the CEO of Robinhood. He say, look at this. We working on deposit and withdraw. Not just for Doge, but for all the coin on Robinhood crypto as well. So that is the good news, guy. Our voice, Mark Cuban's voice, he raised to support Doge. And now the CEO listened to us. And I think with this push from Mark Cuban and with us as the demand, I really think that the Robinhood wallet is coming soon. I really think that it will come really soon in the next few months, guy. I know the team is working on this thing right here. This is the high demand, and if Robinhood put in, it's going to be amazing. So this is the first thing I want to talk to you guys about. Is the Robinhood wallet. I think this is going to be one of the biggest catalysts for Dogecoin. And people are waiting for this because right now people, they are worried, they are fear, and they think it's inconvenient, and that stopped people to go to Robinhood. But now Robinhood have this thing in there. It's so convenient. More users will jump into Robinhood. It's so convenient, and more people feel secure. And I think this is what it needs for Dogecoin. Okay. Now the second thing I want to talk about is more corporations start to use Dogecoin, guy. That is awesome. When I talk in my last video, I say another big catalyst for Dogecoin is more corporations start using it, more celebrities talking about it. So right now you can see Mark Cuban talking about it, more corporations start using it already. So let me show it to you. This website right here, right now is on the new Yahoo Finance. They say Pornhub. Okay, I think some of the guys, they probably know what Pornhub is, right? Okay, so Pornhub accept cryptocurrency, XRP, Doge, BNB, and USDC. Okay, I don't know what this is, but all I know is Doge. They accept Dogecoin on their website. This is a really big platform that for adult entertainment. And they stream all type of video related to the adult, and they accept Dogecoin for the membership, guy. This is a good thing. The reason I point out this thing right here is more website online, more merchandise online start to accept Doge. Let me share with you some more good news. Come on over here. Now, another big news, guy. Another big news. Look at this. Look at this. Houston Rocket accept Dogecoin. This is another basketball team in Houston, and they accept Dogecoin. Okay, and think about that, right? First of all, is Mark Cuban team accepted. Now Houston Rocket accept Dogecoin for their merchandise. The next thing is Allen Sharp accept Dogecoin. The next thing is could be another basketball team, another golf course team, another soccer team. You know, like all this thing gonna create the ripple effect, because if one team accept it, why not another team? So I can see this thing is already happened. If by now you guys still think this thing is a joke coin, I don't know what else do you think. I'm not trying to say this to like convince you guys to buy anything, but I'm so excited because it's so obvious, it's so clear that Dogecoin has the bright future. Now the next thing, guy, in here, look at this. This one right here, they show on BitPay. BitPay support Dogecoin already. Now the billionaire guy, Tillman Ferretta, his car dealership, the premium dealership, guy, they accept Dogecoin in Houston, Texas. This is crazy. Why would a billionaire accept Dogecoin? Besides, they just want to raise awareness for public, awareness, which is good. But they accept Dogecoin because they know this thing is the future. But one of the most important thing I want to point out in here is this man right here. He is a $1 billion man. He have a corporation. It's called Laundry, Laudry. This is a corporation that have over 1,000 of restaurants. It's huge. Imagine. Right now, he already accept Dogecoin into his dealership already. The next thing, guy, right now he working to put Bitcoin into his restaurant. But I think the next step he will put on is Dogecoin into his restaurant. Imagine you take your day out into the restaurant. Imagine you go to the restaurant all around the United States. You use Dogecoin, using Robinhood wallet to pay for it, using Binance to pay for it, using crypto app to pay for it, using your wallet to pay for it. It's amazing, guy. I really see the future of Dogecoin is really bright. More restaurants are going to start to accept it, and another business, more business going to start to bandwagon. More celebrities going to talk about it. More people going to jump on board. This is the beginning, and the exact reason why many businesses have not accepted yet. That's why I want to position myself. That's why I want to position Thinksmart Brother before the big wave. Okay. And like I say, Mark Cuban, he is the man. He is the man. He and Elon Musk is the man of vision. You know, when people go on Shark Tank, he ain't gonna invest into any kind of business when it doesn't make sense. But he jumped behind Dogecoin and he say he will not sell one single dose for his business. And you can see that already. He have over 6,000 transactions within the month of April. In May, they're probably gonna have more and more. And this guy, he know where the future is, and he hold on to Dogecoin. Okay, so this is some of my tech guy. So I really hope that you enjoy these videos. And if you like these videos, feel free to share this video, like this video, so more people can aware of this new and instill more confidence to the long-term investor. And whoever believe into Dogecoin, then invest at your own risk, guys. I always say, you know, every investment, it come at your own risk, and this is a lifetime investment that is worth the risk, because it's hard for me to see any other investment kind of like Dogecoin. Okay, so invest at your own risk, but when you invest, believe. Okay, guy. All right, guy, invest like a genius.